What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to double or even triple your Bitcoins. Of course, it's not financial advice. With the market in a murky state, it gives us a lot of opportunities. And I spotted the specific trade. It's XRP BTC. And the thing with XRP is they have a diehard community. They've been in like a long battle with the SEC, which I do have some updates on. And we're going to dive into XRP BTC and XRP USD. If it could reach $1, past $1. But more specifically, we're going to just focus on XRP BTC. So if you have extra Bitcoin laying around, maybe like cold storage, or you just are stacking some sats and you want to double or triple it, I think this is a very interesting trade, and I'll go through it and why I think it's a great trade, and my exact positioning in this trade, and then where I think I'm going to exit and take profit. So first of all, let's take a look at the chart. So this is the monthly chart, and you can see every time we come into this support major buying area, you can see that we bounce at least 300%. So if we take it from this support line right here, about 800 sats, and we go to, okay, it's about 200%. So 1 Bitcoin would turn into 3 Bitcoins. You'd have a 2 Bitcoin profit. For the USD pair, we'll go into that. I think if we see another leg on the whole crypto market, so BTC, ETH, XRP, Solana, XRP will surely follow. Will it make new highs? I don't think it will reach to $3.40. I mean, anything can happen. Let's dive into the SEC stuff. So first, they were ordered $2 billion originally for a penalty, and they returned $10 million, but the SEC came back with $100 million. So from $2 billion fine to $100 million, that's not too bad. They definitely have the money. I'm not an expert, so I'm not going to act like I know too much about the case, but here's something interesting. The SEC head of Crypto Assets Enforcement Division stepped down in the last 24 hours. We saw a small pump on XRP while the whole market tanked, but it didn't sustain it. So if we go to XRP USD right here, we saw a small pump over 50 cents, which it would have been great to hold above that. You can see that it's like a great support and resistance area, a great area of interest, 50 cents. So we weren't able to hold that. We pumped up to 51, almost 52 cents, and now we're back just under 50 cents. But with this right here, this has been doing the same exact move. It's very cyclical, and you can see that since 2014, it's happened once, twice, 3 times, and I'll bet on it that it'll happen another time. I think that the reward, risk to reward is very great here, profitable of course, and if you have some extra Bitcoin, why not try to double or triple it? I saw the same pattern in Dogecoin, so this was happening since 2014, and they kind of are similar. I mean, both of them are memes. You might be an XRP fan, XRP army, or whatever it may be. I prefer to stack Bitcoin, and XRP has a huge community with the SEC stuff potentially, touching back on here with the SEC stuff potentially coming to a close. They're very close to an end, to an agreement. Maybe XRP can finally pump. Going back to this, actually Doge, that I made a video on this, that Dogecoin is very, very cyclical. And this was Doge BTC. And you can see in 2019, 5 years ago, I made a video on this, and you can see the channels right here. Same thing. It was coming down into this huge buy area every few years, and you had to be extremely patient. So you can see that every few years it would come down into this buy area, and we could put up another line there quickly, and that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm trying to stack up in this area. I'll show you my buy orders, and then this is when Elon Musk just exploded it. I didn't catch this whole run, which was kind of crazy because I sold, where I thought it would go most of the time, but now I learned not to sell all my bag, leave a little bit of a moonshot bag. But if we go back to XRP BTC, you can see same thing here. And if we go to the weekly and we use the RSI, you can see that every time that we've came down there, it's been extremely oversold. I'm not sure how long it'll sit down in this area. It could be months, it could be weeks. So if you see right here, for example, last time it came down here in December 2020, it traded back down here in March. So that's a few months that it was in this accumulation area. It had like a little bounce. Even if it does bounce from here to up top here, that's a clean 100%. So 1 Bitcoin turns to 2. I've used this whole area and actually less so into actually all the way down to this wick that I've put buy orders. So if we go to my BYBIT right here, you can see that I caught the wick down on the first like sell down, I guess, a few days ago, and you can see I got a pretty decent order, but I'm hoping that it goes lower. I want to fill in. I just got a little bit of my BTC in there. I want to fill in at lower prices, and you can see my current orders right here. So 600 sats, 500 sats, 600 sats, 500, 420, 480, 540, 590, and pretty much just 0.1 BTC. I loaded up 1 Bitcoin into this trade, and I'm trying to get it to 3 Bitcoins. So that would be something like this, where I would maybe have an average of approximately, let's say, 550 sats. And when it comes to the median, which in my opinion, if we just zoom in a bit, I think that at some point in time, if we're patient, and there's no guarantees, it will come back and trade right here. And it's came to this zone a few times, and I don't think that it's not going to happen again. Maybe we see some bearishness, some capitulation, extremely horrible news, or maybe the extreme opposite, where the SEC stuff, you know, they pay their fine, they're good to go, and it just starts moving up in price. Very bullish. I haven't followed with the XRP development, so I'm not sure what they're doing, what their roadmap is, what their tech is. I just know they sold the dream to the XRP army. But anyways, going back into the chart, which is more important, you can see that if we get an average of like 550 sats and it goes back to, let's say, its median right here, that's like a clean almost 200%. If it comes to here, which is our target, about 2,500 sats, that would be a 300% move. So I'm just looking strictly to double my BTC, even triple it, and just looking for a clean trade here. And looking at the prior history, every time it's came down here, it's pretty much like exploded back up. So I'm not sure if this time will be the same, if it'll be different, how long will be down here, how long will trade down here, maybe if this is the bottom and I only filled 20% in, or if it goes a lot lower than I expected. But I'm in a position to hold this trade and see what happens. I mean, XRP, and the thing is, XRP, I think will be here to stay, regardless if you like it or not, regardless if, you know, it's a scam or not, if their tech works or not. XRP's community is insane. The XRP army, they won't stop. So, you know, they're bag holding for life. And we're pretty much at bottoms. This has been grinding down since August 23, almost pretty much a year. It's been grinding down for a whole year against Bitcoin, and been a stable coin in the USD pair. You can see here since the last few months, it's just been kind of fluctuating in this channel right here. So my bets on the Bitcoin side, if you have some extra Bitcoin, throw it in there. Just wanted to make a quick video. I'll be sharing a lot of new trading setups, a lot of coins, altcoins, IDOs, airdrops, all that great stuff. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, post below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.